exist to give local people a voice within health and social care services, and it's our job to make sure that the people who commission services, so people who buy services, and people who plan, manage and deliver services, to make sure that they listen to the views and experiences of members of the public.
Healthwatch Wigan is obviously playing a really important role in ensuring the community has a voice about the changes that are needed in the NHS here in Wigan, but also the way in which the health service works with community groups, with social services, the local council, housing, schools. And I think most people could see that getting that joined up set of services is really important for Wigan, and you can help ensure we get that right.
Well, ever since it was set up, Healthwatch Wigan has been a really strong voice for patients, and that really matters particularly at the moment because the health service is going through quite a difficult time in terms of funding and restructuring, but also a very important time in terms of thinking through how we're going to get to grips with the big challenges of the next century. We've got lots and lots of people who are living longer, which is very welcome, but we need to think about how we make sure that those are good lives and healthy lives, and that we support people right the way through from the moment they're born to the moment they die.
Healthwatch is important to local people because its key role is to be a consumer champion, and by its very nature it needs to act for the local people, and it can do all sorts of things that support them.
It's not what should be delivered, it's how it could be delivered differently, and that's where Healthwatch comes in, bringing the range of groups at local level in. The voluntary sector providers who deal with issues like autism or learning disability, things that often can get forgotten at a national level, really getting those voices into the heart of the NHS locally, and that's why Healthwatch is so important.
Because Healthwatch is the voice of local people. There have been a variety of institutions over the years, and we've been very fortunate in recent years to have a very active and lively Healthwatch. So they both listen to and speak up and are the champions for local people.
We all have individual voices, but to me Healthwatch almost becomes a megaphone so that their voices are heard. And they've also got great connections with all the groups and the statutory services, and can put people's cases forwards, talk about their needs, and they've got a great oversight of everything that's happening in the borough.
Well, Healthwatch occupies a crucial role in the health and social care system. It holds us to account as healthcare providers, as professionals in the health and social care system, enabling local people to really tell us what's going on in their experiences of healthcare.
Healthwatch Wigan is a body which is whole being, is about each and every day working with local communities, working with individual citizens to make sure that they have got a voice in what their health and social care needs to look like, when there's problems, how do they resolve them, and also making sure that people listen to the voices of ordinary men and women in the Wigan area.